Hey everyone, Sylvia here, and welcome all to my Autotube Kingdom review. Right, so Autotube Kingdom is going live on the 24th of January at 10 a.m. New York time, and that is the newest release by Andreas Quintana. Okay, he very often partners up with Alessandro Zamboni. He has put together a whole long list of, products on Warrior Plus, and many of them have been awarded Deal of the Day. So supreme quality, okay? Andreas is a guy with a beautiful voice. It's a pleasure to listen to his videos, to listen to his training courses. And this training course is unlike anything I have ever seen, okay? Probably teaching you a method that it has certainly never been taught on Warrior Plus, okay? Amongst Warrior Plus launches, that's what I mean, Yeah, that's my point. Maybe on ClickBank, training course of that kind was launched, but I'm not too sure. I'm not too much of a ClickBank affiliate marketer. Anyhow, guys, to put it briefly, this training course will show you how to create an income stream coming from YouTube. So you will be heading towards YouTube ad revenue, so to get your channel monetized as well, but by creating a YouTube channel that is very trendy, okay, these days, super trendy. And by the way, I wanna check one thing here about quizzes, how to create quizzes using AI and Canva, so free tools, but ideally you want to have a GPT Plus account for it, because then it comes with a tool that will create those quizzes and those sorts of highly engaging videos that people love, okay? And it's very easy then by using Canva to create videos, short videos, which are apparently super trendy, and I'll prove it to you now. So guys, let's get started. I'll show you the members area, the sales page. I've got some splendid bonuses as well, and all of them, you know the drill, guys. Okay, so yeah, this is Andreas, this guy here, very friendly too. Okay, I'll show you the funnel too. I'll actually show you the funnel from inside of the members area. I've got the page, the sales page here. Just click the link below my review. It's going to take you to the sales page. He says here, transform famous YouTube videos into video quizzes. Yeah, the way he goes about, creating those videos is around not only YouTube quizzes videos, but, those videos would be around another famous videos. So he's gonna dive into the whole niche research here. Okay, this is the members area, as you can see. I'll explain bit by bit about what videos you will find here, but yeah, going back, so he would go after, he would use trendy videos which went super viral, right? And around those videos, and obviously, since your short quiz videos will be around viral videos, okay, people will be very interested to take those quizzes, and that obviously builds up towards your view hours, towards your towards people subscribing to your channel. And then also Andreas will show you another way of monetizing your channel, okay? So as I said, it's a product I've never really reviewed a product of training course, sorry guys, of this kind. Okay, here I'll show you a few upsells, I guess it's just a couple of upsells really. Here's apparently OTO number 3, but I did not see it inside of the members area, but That's fine. Right, now bonuses also, just for those who decide to pick up this product via the link below my review. And trust me, you will love this training course. It will really, if you put it into action, you will be able to create additional income stream, additional source of passive income, okay, to make money online, to make money online, obviously. And it will be, the sort of the YouTube channel you create will be sort of like auto run by you. Yeah, it will be sort of on autopilot. Trust me, because so easy. It's gonna be so easy for you later on to create those videos. It's just gonna take you a few minutes of your time a day, and if you stick to uploading a few videos a week and ideally one video each day, oh my goodness, you're gonna go from glory to glory. Okay, these are the bonuses. Now, why I picked this YouTube channel customization tutorial, I'll explain later, but you will need this bonus, trust me, and some other YouTube, and video related bonuses as well that are super valuable. Okay, now let's go and talk about the product. Now here is in the introduction, Andreas will talk about this method. So he goes to show how, I think he searched for quiz just on YouTube, and there you go, guys. TubeBuddy, I've got TubeBuddy, tells me how the search volume, okay, and as you can see, there is relatively low competition, but there's like over 23 million searches per month around quizzes on YouTube. So it is a niche you want to go after, right? Now, in the video number 2, Andreas will go through various YouTubers. He is going to show you examples of various YouTubers with famous videos which you will use to create your quiz videos. Now, I'm not going to reveal too much information about how, exactly that's gonna happen, but it's enough to say that he really came up with some smart ideas. To me, that was like, oh, that's a novelty. Good to know that, And then he will go to ChatGPT and show you some secret tools from inside ChatGPT to create those quizzes. And then using Canva, which is free. Obviously, you can have the pro version of Canva, which is around $10, I guess, a month. That is going to give you some super cool features, but you can stick to the free one as well, and you should be fine. But actually, Andreas has the pro version of Canva, and he was adding those amazing timers and this and that. So he says okay, you see, he creates these slides here in Canva, and he goes into great detail on how to, you can just so look over his shoulder, so to speak, and just copy and paste, just follow him. Okay, right. He adds the timer here, so he would say you've got now 10 seconds to answer the question, and the timer goes boom, 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 tick, 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 boom, boom. It doesn't really go boom, boom, but more tick, tick. So it adds this sort of a level of excitement, and has not hesitation, anticipation, right? Sometimes people do hesitate when they, they're trying to answer questions too, right? Now, the reason why I added this bonus here is because in this, about YouTube channel customization and how to optimize it for best SEO, so search engine optimization, and so your channel actually ranks well, is because in this video, although Andreas shows you from the start, from creating the Gmail account, and then he goes into setting up the YouTube channel, he missed, he says play around here a little bit, do this and customize your channel, but he doesn't tell you how to actually customize it the right way. And if you're a newbie, you would not know. Even if you already have a channel, but you have not been using it much, or it has not ranked it has not been ranking very well, you may want my video created by me, half-an-hour video on how to customize your YouTube channel. My YouTube channel, according to TubeBuddy, has anything from 80 to 100 SEO scores, so I believe I know how to customize the YouTube channel. And I show you how to do it in this tutorial. Okay, but he does show you how to create a logo, the banner, and actually using even ChatGPT, which is pretty cool. Now, in this video, with some extra tips and tricks, Andreas will actually give you some another hints as to how you can get additional ways to get money from your YouTube. So not only like heading towards your YouTube channel being monetized, which is great, right? But, and if you have a YouTube channel on trendy topics, you will get the viewers, you will get the views, you know. So yeah, it is not a mission impossible to get it monetized fast. It can be achieved within a few months, actually. It depends in what niche you are. If you're in a niche that is very much sought after, then, you know, it's a much easier job to get your channel monetized relatively soon, okay? But he gives you some super cool ideas on how to get some affiliate links to, again, to some relevant products, okay, that you could promote. Now from here you will get a chance to pick the OTOs as well, cool OTOs. I'll show you what kind of OTOs you get. Now here is a PDF bonus, 50 amazing quiz ideas. Okay, so you click here to download the bonus. Here actually Andreas, well, yes, I said he does partner up with Alessandro Zamboni often. So Andreas gives you this kids diary domination. It sells very well apparently on Amazon and Etsy. It's like a complete training course, okay? He gives you access here just as a bonus, which is pretty amazing. Now let me show you the OTO. So the front end, guys, will be, so let me pop myself, oops, here. So the front end, $17. There will be one or two OTOs, and each of them will be $27. I should have some more information here on OTOs, so let me see. Yeah, here we have it. OTO number 1 is a brand new method to create quizzes on Google Docs, so a different method, okay? And make sales sharing them the easy way. What way? Well, it's a secret. You will find out if you buy it for $27. OTO number 2 is a set of ready-made quizzes for you, so done for your stuff. In top niches, so you can start focusing on the process and not on quiz creation. Okay, so easy peasy lemon squeezy with this one, right? Done for you quizzes, ready-made quizzes in the top niches, so they will be trendy. Okay guys, so that was my review on Autotube Kingdom, again by Andreas Quintana. The link in the description box. Read through the sales page, is beautiful, a lot of relevant information, a lot of information about the product, about the vendor. You've got the money back guarantee, you've got you know, the bonuses you're getting here listed, and 14 days money back guarantee, so 2 weeks, not a month like it is often the case, but not with this one. Okay guys, love you and leave you, and I shall see you very soon. Bye bye, ciao.